Hi there, this is Gary Short from Done Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the HDInsight emulator onto your development machine. HDInsight is Microsoft's version of Hadoop on Azure, and to install it onto your development machine it's really quite simple. It's installed from the web platform installer. So the first thing we're going to do is to launch that. Having done that, we're going to use the search box and we're going to search for HDInsight. As you can see, there's only one hit for that search. If you launch the web platform installer and you search for HDInsight emulator and there are no hits, then the normal cause of that is the fact that your machine is not running a 64-bit version of the operating system. You require the 64-bit version of the operating system to run HDInsight. Now, you don't get an error or warning or something like that if you just try to install it. What happens is if you search for it, it just doesn't appear. So if that's the symptom you're seeing, you're probably running a 32-bit version of your operating system. So having launched the web platform installer and searched for HDInsight and found it, all we have to do now is add it and then hit the install button, and the web platform installer will do the rest for us. And there we go. There is our HDInsight installation installed on our machine. And as you can see down here on the left of the screen, we have the various icons for the Hadoop command line, for the name node, and from the MapReduce task manager. Having installed HDInsight emulator onto our development machine, we need to test that it's working. And to do this, we're going to take this text of Shakespeare's Macbeth and run a word count on it, word count being the canonical example for Hadoop. So to do that, we're going to open the Hadoop command line here, and the first thing that we have to do is to create a space on our HDFS file system for the text to live. So we're going to do Hadoop fs minus make dir /test /in, like so. And having created that, we're going to copy our text file from our local hard drive onto our Hadoop HDFS. So to do that, we do Hadoop fs minus put, and what we want to do is we want to put that there, like so. And then having done that, we can run our word count, and to run our word count we do Hadoop jar, and then we do Hadoop-examples.jar, and the example we want to use is word count. So it's word count, and then we need the input path, and the input path is at test in, and we did an output path, so we want that to go to say test out, like so. So we kick that off, and you can see the job starts to run. And you can see our map and reduce there. And the map's completed, and now the reducer will start. And now it's finished, so we can see what kind of output we've got. To do that, we use Hadoop fs minus ls test out. And we can see there that we have a part-r part and then 5 zeros file. So let's just see what that says. So we use Hadoop fs minus cat /test /out /part star. And here we can see our word count. We can see some words and the counts of how many times they appear in Shakespeare's play Macbeth. And with that, we have installed HDInsight emulator onto our development machines, and we've tested that it's working. So thanks for watching this video. Until next time, goodbye.